Hello everybody, I am Arturo. I'm factory manager here in our chocolate factory in Hamburg. We are producing here in Hamburg more than 20,000 tons a year of Smarties. That means more than 20 billion pieces of Smarties. So of course sustainability is on top of the agenda of Nestle, but it matches as well perfectly to the brand of Smarties, because we are creating a colorful world for our children in which we already did some steps in order to have all the flavors coming from nature, and we're doing the next step, changing our packaging material, everything into paper. This is of course part of the Nestle commitment for packaging until 2025 in order to change our packaging material of our products into packaging material that can be reused or can be recycled, like in our case with Smarties in paper. We have to guarantee that the quality of our Smarties stay really high, because the process is very complicated for doing our Smarties, and we have to keep this quality that is right now guaranteed through the plastic packaging. So for the one format, the giant tube, it was a completely new format. It's a completely renovation. So we had to buy a new line and install a new process. And on the other side, for the mini pouches, we just changed the plastic material into paper, but we have to guarantee that the parameters, including the temperature for sealing, match perfectly. Because if we take a very high temperature, we can burn the paper, and if the temperature is too low, we cannot guarantee that we're sealing properly our pouches. This has, of course, a great meaning for Hamburg, because we're investing 10 million on modifications and as well improving the production processes of Smarties. So I'm just the face for this project today, but I have to thank a lot of people that are involved in this project. Several people from our PTC in UK, from Switzerland, from our head office, from Frankfurt, and as well here in the factory. Thank you to more than 200 people that are working in this project, from production people, technicians, packaging engineers, and a lot of people in controlling. I am very proud of you, and thank you very much for making this happen.